Hello everyone, this is Dr. Chow, Dr. Eric Chow. Today I would like to talk about the class framework revision of the AP ComSci A for the school year 2025 and 2026. So basically, AP Computer Science A will undergo a major revision for this new school year. So a lot of things will be changed. So we would like to discuss what are the changes and what are the possible changes that we will make to our courses. So first one is that this AP ComSci A will go all digital in the May 2025 exam. So it will be effective right now, next year. This next AP ComSci test will be go all digital. So be prepared. There will be new way of testing you for AP ComSci A. Second, the course material will be revised for the school year of 2025 to 2026. So the first AP exam to have the new content will be starting on 2026. The AP exam 2026 will have new AP ComSci A, okay? So this new version will be adding the topics like text files, data set, and artificial intelligence. So basically, we'll be promoting the idea of data science. So more data science will be added to the AP Computer Science A, and then it will remove the inheritance units, and this will closely align the course with introductory college courses and allow teachers to cover other topics in more details. So basically, we'll be removing the object-oriented programming and the OOP, and the basically graphic design, game engine, and the picture editing, and some other object-oriented programming related issue will be removed from AP ComSci A. I think they will be more focused on data science and AI. And then they will consolidate in unit 1 to 8 into 4 units, 1 to 8 and 10 into 4 units. And then the exam will also change the format. Originally, 40 multiple choice problem now increased to 42 multiple choice questions. And these 42 multiple choice questions will be making up 55% of the overall AP ComSci exam scores. And then the FRQ part will drop to 25 points only. Originally it's 36 points and now only 25 points. And question 3 will remove array, only keep the array list. And this one also is because they want to be more aligned with data science. And the overall score will be only taking up 45% instead of the 50% originally. So dropping the importance of the FRQ. And then the total point will go 55% for multiple choice and 45% for the 4 FRQ questions. So major direction is that dropping graphic user interface or game design or picture editing or game design contents. Putting more emphasis on data science and artificial intelligence. And the problem-solving skills will also drop. These are 3 major directions. So after this multiplication, this AP ComSci A will no longer be training students for competitive programming. So our AP ComSci A course will be complying with the new 2025 and 2026 AP Computer Science A course standard. There will be 4 units. Unit 1 using object and methods. Unit 2 selection and iterations. Unit 3 class creation. Unit 4 data collection. So Unit 1 will be our original chapter 1, 2, 3 for data type and operator, application programming interface and library, functions and method. This function and method was originally chapter 6. And math class using object and string. So this unit 1 primarily is our original chapter 1, 2, 3, and 6. And then Unit 2 will be on selection and iteration. These are our original Chapter 4 decision and Chapter 5 loop and iterations. So this Unit 2 is our original Chapter 4 and 5. And Unit 3 is on class creation. This will be our original Chapter 3 and Chapter 10, including class creation, constructor, data setter, scope, and these keywords. So these are related to the basic class and objects in our Chapter 10 and Chapter 3. Then Unit 4, the final unit, is on data set array list, 2D array, and the text file sorting and sorting and searching and recursion. These are our original Chapter 7, 8, 9, and 17, 18. So we will be combine them into a Unit 4. Then our plan, okay, since they drop a lot of content from AP Campsite A, so this AP Campsite A, newer AP Campsite A standard will be very much like the original pre-AP Java course. So we will be merging our pre-AP Java course and our AP Campsite A into a new AP Campsite A course. Then we will split our original AP Campsite A into AP Campsite A College Board AP exam and AP Campsite B for user code competitive programming, 2 separate courses, each for 1 semester. So this will be, we will have, and this AP Campsite B will be combining our original AP Campsite A's object-oriented programming and user code preparation course into 1 new AP Campsite B for user code competitive programming courses. So we will have 2 new courses. The new AP Campsite A course for College Board AP exam and a new AP Campsite B for user code competitive programming. So AP Campsite A will be following the new AP Campsite A exam standard, also adding Java for data science, 2 major missions. And then a lot of topics will be moved to AP Campsite B, including conditional statement and switch, object-oriented programming, inheritance, polymorphism, abstract class and interfaces, data collection, list, queue, stack, priority queue, set, map, and hash table, and the basic data structure and computer graphics, including abstract window, key, toolkits, and swing, and the other issue for game design. These will be moved to AP Campsite B and focus on software development and also user code competitive programming, including 2D game design and competitive programming. So we will have 1 semester in the AP Campsite A year to teach you the Java level of the competitive programming, and then another year to teach C++ for faster competitive programming in the year after the AP Campsite A years. And then these are 2 possible routes. First route is we teach in June for AP Campsite A, target at the College Board AP Campsite A standard. And also in the fall, we will start to teach AP Campsite B, maybe starting from October, to teach you user code bronze preparation from October to February for AP Campsite B for preparation of user code and bronze preparation. And then starting from August to February, we may have a separate AP CSA only course for students who are not interested in competitive programming. So 2 possible routes for newer AP Campsite A standard. Thank you. This will be our discussion for today. Thank you. Bye now. Bye-bye.